Good day everyone. I'm Arlene Interumpa from BAT 4A. So for today, I will discuss the Pareto chart of restaurant complaint corrected. So this is the bar graph of restaurant complaint connected. If we look this side, we have the number of complaints. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, and 800. And this side are cumulative percentage. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. And this area are complaint types. Are overpriced, small portion, wait time, food tasteless, not atmosphere, not clean, too noisy, food is too salty and unfriendly staff and food not fresh. The overpriced are 789 and the small portion are 621 and wait time 109 and the food tasteless are 65 and not atmosphere are 45. Not clean are 30. Too noisy are 27. Food is too salty are 15. Unfriendly staff are 12 and food not fresh are 9. If we look in this side, the 45.52%, we are going to compute the overprice, divide the total complaints of types, the small portion, the wait time, the food is tasteless, not atmosphere, not clean, too noisy, food is too salty, unfriendly staff, and food not fresh. We're going to times then 100. The total of is 45.52%. The The next one are the 81.88%. So, we're going to compute the overpriced, the small portion we add, and we divide the complaint types, and the result are times 100, and the result is 81.88%. And the next one is 88.21%. Then add the small price, small portion, wait time. The result are divide the total complaints of types and the result times 100, the 91.99%. And then the 94.6% are the overpriced, the small portion, wait time, food tasteless, divide complaint types, then times 100, and the result is 94.6%. Then the next one is 96.31%. We add the overpriced, small portion, wait time, food tasteless, and not atmosphere. Then divided the total complaints of types. Then the result are times 100. The result is 97.91%. Then the next one is 98.78. 98.78 add the small price to food to salty and divided the complaint types, then times 100, the result is 98.78%. The next one is 99.48. We add the overpriced to unfriendly staff, then divided into complaint types, then times 100, the result is 99.48. So, then 100%, if add an overpriced to food not fresh, then it divided into complaint types, and times 100, the result is 100%. and God bless everyone.